Welcome back to the update, where we're all about helping you achieve financial success and now a healthier you. And in today's video, we're diving into how to stay motivated on your fitness journey. Because we know that staying motivated can be the key to achieving your fitness goals. If you're ready to stay on track and keep that fitness fire burning, hit that like button, subscribe to the update, and let's get started. Before we jump into motivation strategies, let's remind ourselves why staying motivated is so important on your fitness journey. One of the cornerstones of motivation is having clear and achievable goals. I'll guide you through the process of setting the right goals. Discovering your why can be a powerful motivator. We'll discuss how to identify your personal reasons for getting fit. Music is a fantastic motivator. We'll show you how to create a motivational workout playlist that keeps you moving. Accountability is a game changer in fitness. We'll discuss how to find or create your support system. Setbacks are part of the journey. We'll explore strategies to overcome them and maintain consistency. And there you have it, how to stay motivated on your fitness journey. Whether you're just starting out or already on the path to fitness, these motivation strategies can help you stay committed. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to The Update for more financial and fitness wisdom, and share your thoughts in the comments. Here's to a motivated and healthier you. We'll see you in the next video.